Hey kids! Welcome to this week's episode of Let's Draw! Today, we're going to be drawing this cute little teddy bear. With our artwork this week, what we're going to do first is sketch it out using a grey lead pencil. Then we're going to go over it with a black marker and add some colour. So let's take a closer look at what we're going to need today for our drawing.
Today you're going to need a grey lead pencil, rubber sharpener, black marker and some coloured pencils. Remember, of course, you can just use whatever you have available at home.
Okay, who's ready to draw? You know I am. So say it with me, kids. 1, 2, 3, let's draw!
Starting off, we're going to use a grey lead. We're going to just sketch a line down the middle of our page and then draw a large circle for the teddy bear's head. Draw a large curved line that loops around for the teddy bear's body. We're now going to draw 2 more circles, one for each foot. Using a rubber, we'll rub out the line in between each circle and then draw 2 slightly smaller circles inside of those first 2. Draw 2 curved lines for our teddy bear's arms. For the teddy bear's ears, we're going to draw 2 oval shapes with 2 smaller oval shapes inside of the ear. We're now going to draw our little face on our teddy bear, starting off with the nose, our mouth, some eyes. I'm going to give mine cute little eyes. And I've got some lines here for like stitching, and I'm just going to add a little bit of hair on top. For the background, I'm going to add a curved line in behind our teddy bear. And although you can't quite see it, I'm drawing a moon and then I'm going to add some stars as well. Now that we've sketched our teddy bear out, we're going to use our black marker to go over and outline everything. As I draw in my black marker, you'll see that I do add in a few little extra details here and there. You can add in some more detail if you like as well, or just copy over what you've drawn so far. I'm now going to use our rubber to just tidy up our picture. So just rub out all those sketch lines and we'll make our artwork a lot neater. Time to add some colour. I've used colour pencils here, but you can use whatever you've got at home. So if you've got crayons or water paints or paint, you can use whatever you like. I've used a brown to colour in my teddy bear, but your teddy bear could be any colour that you like. So it could be pink or purple or even rainbow coloured. You be as creative as you like. Rather than just colour our background all one colour, what I've done here is I've blended some colours together. So I started off with a light blue down the bottom. And then I've added a darker blue over the top, so it's blending those colours together. So it's sort of like it's turning from light to dark. Next, I'm going to use a purple. And as I blend my purple, I just colour down into the colour underneath it as well. And after I'm finished with the purple, I'm then going to finish with a black. And that's it, we're done.
I hope you had a lot of fun drawing along with me today and creating your own teddy bear drawing. Maybe you could share it with your own teddy bear. I'm sure they'd love to see it, and I can't wait to see yours as well. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and as always, stay creative.